हाय गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आई होप सब लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं। तो आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट का रिव्यू लेके आई हूँ। आई जस्ट टुक शावर, तो अभी मैं अपना मॉर्निंग स्किन केयर करने वाली थी, तो आई थॉट कि आई शुड शेयर द रिव्यू ऑफ दैट प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो। इट्स क्वाइट सम टाइम दैट आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट, so let's start with it. I'm going to talk about the product which has been so much in hype in market. So this is Pond Super Light Gel. Like this, when this product came in market, it was all over the place. Everybody was talking about this, that it is non-sticky, best for oily skin types, and it is like super light and all. So like my face is a combination skin throughout the year generally, but during this time it is like so hot and humid. So this time my face is more towards the oilier side, so it is the best time to try this thing out. So I was like, yeah, I will try this in summers only, because in winters my cheeks got to dry out a little bit, only T zone is oily. So I was like, it might not be the appropriate time to like test this product, but now this is the perfect timing to test this item. So first of all, I'll tell you the basic thing about these. This come in two sizes. The smaller one is 73 grams, and this is the bigger one. This is 147 grams. The smaller packaging is for 149 rupees, and this bigger tub is for 299 rupees. But like right now there is a sale going on Nykaa, so you can get it on discount there definitely. Even when I wanted this product, I wanted a smaller packaging, but during that time it was so hype and all, so there was the smaller packaging was always out of stock. I was like stocking this product, eyeing this product for like 1 month or so, that I'll buy the product whenever it will come in stock, the smaller tub, but it never came, so I need to buy the bigger one only. Now it's a quite some time that I have been using this product, so it's like perfect time that I can review and I can tell you people how it is. So first of all, I'll tell you what it claims, then I will use it on my face. So it's a super light gel oil free moisturizer for non-sticky glowing skin with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So the ingredients that it say, hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, are very good for skin, so it's a good thing. And what else it says in ingredients: water, glycerine, dimethicone. What else? Okay, there are so many things in one or the other ways written there. Stearic acid and many other things, but I would just say ki it's a pretty good product. Okay, first I'll just give a demo, then we will talk about this in detail. So as you can see, I have used it quite a bit, not so much. Because I have to try different products at different times, so sometimes I use this, sometimes I use different item. So but still I have been trying this for around 1 month now. So yeah, okay. So first of all, I'll show you it on my hand how it performs. Seriously, it's a very lightweight thing. It will absorb in no time, like seriously, and it will give you a good finish on the face. It's on real time, guys. I'm not forwarding it, not speeding the video and anything of that sort. It's all real time, so that you can see and judge how much time it takes to get into your skin. Yeah, and it's done. It hardly took me like 10 seconds or so to like fully to get this thing fully absorbed. So yeah, and it's so smooth and light, and I don't know what ingredient it has that it gives a calming effect also. because it's summer, so it's give a cooling effect also on my skin. So I am like seriously liking it. It's a very nice product for oily skin people or a combination skin people. For drier skin types, I will not suggest this product because it will not be sufficient enough for those people who has a dry skin, because they literally need good hydration. So this will not be like properly effective for them. But for combination and oily skin, this literally works. And I am like seriously happy that I finally got this, and I am happy about that I got a big tub, because I will finish this, I know, because I am liking this a lot, so I can finish this thing. So yes guys, you can definitely give this product a try. It's a very nice product, and during Nykaa hot pink sale you can buy this on discount also. So yeah, that's all guys for this review. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, then press the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And if you want any other product review specifically, then you can comment down below and I will definitely do that for you. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.